What sense do you give to symplectic topology in inside all mathematics and all sciences, and how is it satisfying for you?
Well, for one thing, I've never tried to justify the mathematics I do in terms of science.
Is mathematics a science?
It's different from a science. It's a mixture of
Art and science.
Art and science, I would say. It's a particular human endeavor that I think develops a language, which turns out to be a good language for science. But you know, when I think of symplectic geometry and what its applications are, because I learned the one bit of physics I learned was classical mechanics. There was that has got canonical transformations. That's where symplectic geometry comes from, and that is the language of classical physics. So it's not just quantum physics. It's the basis of understanding flows, conservation of energy. So I would say it's an essential component of the geometry that's related to physics. I mean, obviously Riemannian geometry is related to curvature and space-time relativity, but I think that symplectic geometry is right in there with energy-conserving flows. I mean, it's another essential ingredient. Of course, these days, it does have a very important role to play in string theory and these strange dualities and mirror symmetry and things which relate it to algebraic geometry on the other side. That's very fascinating. I think it's one of the core geometries. You know, there's a theorem of Lie that there are 5 basic kinds of geometries which have sort of irreducible diffeomorphism groups preserving the structure, and there's there's ordinary geometry, then there's there's contact, there's volume preserving, and symplectic. And there's sort of 2 kinds of contact because you can preserve the form or not. But you know, it's just an essential way of doing geometry, I think. And so I think it really does have central importance in mathematics, and therefore, since I think mathematics is a language for science, it mostly has been used in physics. Who knows whether it would be used in biology? I don't know. They may need different mathematics.